You don't need confidence to start creating content. You just need momentum. That's what this 5-day challenge is all about. If you've been stuck, scared, or overthinking your next step, this video is your launching pad. And spoiler alert, you don't need to go viral, you just need to get started. Stop second guessing yourself and post your first 5 pieces of content. Forward this message to your content bestie and let's grow. Let's be real for a second. If you've ever said, I don't know what to post, I'm too afraid to start, or I hate the way I look on camera, what if people judge me? You're not alone. I've heard it all, and I've felt most of it too. That's why I created this challenge, not to overwhelm you with more strategies, but to help you finally take action in a way that's simple and sustainable. I'm gonna geek out for just a second, because this is where the real shift happens. Momentum isn't hype, it's science. It's the behavior that researchers call keystone habit. Once you start posting consistently, other habits like scripting, editing, and showing up become easier. The hardest part is starting, and that's why we're starting together. When you post 5 times in 5 days, the brain starts to rewire around action instead of hesitation. We're not just building content, we're building belief. So this is your first win. If you've been waiting for clarity, this is how you're going to get it. This is how you're going to create it. Here's the exciting part. This is how the challenge works. You'll post 1 video per day for 5 days. It could be a short form video like a TikTok, an Instagram reel, a YouTube short, or a long form video like YouTube. And that's the route I'm going. Every day I'll send you a short pep talk via email. It's a little nudge, nothing overwhelming, just to keep you going, because we all hate to get all those emails, I know. We'll go from idea to script to finished product. If you'd like, we can even go over faceless content if you're camera shy. Think of me like your content personal trainer for the next 5 days. Instead of lunges, we'll work on video. Instead of sore muscles, you'll walk away with momentum and confidence. Okay, so we want to make everything ridiculously easy. So this is how you're going to prep for day 1. Pick your focus. Think about what you're excited to share. Or say you are doing UGC, think about what area you may want to create. So if you're getting started with UGC and you have not created a video yet, this will be the time that you will create your first videos that you will include in your Google Drive. Say you're doing something long form, like I'm doing for YouTube, you will want to think about what you want to focus on. Maybe it's a series or something binge worthy that you want to address. And if you don't know at all what you want to focus on, or if you need some help, that's where my AI tool comes in handy. It'll help you pick a niche or content lane in seconds. All you have to do is you just type in what you like to do, and it'll give you some clear directions. No stress. I love this tool already, and it's only in beta mode, and so it only gets better and smarter from here. Okay, so number 2, block your time out. So block out whatever time that you need. So let's say you need 30 minutes and be serious with it. Make it important for yourself. Literally treat it like a non-negotiable appointment. This is like setting yourself up for a visit with your future self that you really want to be proud of. So you want to take the time out. Think of this like we're dating ourselves, getting ready to meet our future self. So make sure you carve out the time that you need. Don't overwhelm yourself, because we all have some kind of crazy schedule. Set aside at least 30 minutes if you can every day, because we want to stick to this commitment. It's just 30 minutes. It's just 30 minutes. Think about it. You can make time for yourself. Make time for yourself. You've got this. Okay, so number 3, get the AI content toolkit. This toolkit is your sidekick for this challenge. It'll give you video ideas, scripting help, hooks, captions, batching and editing tips, and even faceless video prompts. There's no PDF overload. It's all inside one friendly AI chatbot. You can ask questions and it can answer you back. So it's not just like a solid piece of paper and that's all you have. You can actually ask it questions and it'll answer you back. And it's totally free for 7 days. So this entire time of the challenge, you will have it plus a few additional days. And if you want to extend beyond that, it is in beta for only $7 a month. I mean, gosh, it's cheaper than lunch, right? That's a whole month cheaper than lunch. And number 4, choose your platform. So are you going to use TikTok? Are you going to use YouTube? Are you going to use Instagram? It doesn't matter. This challenge will fit all formats. So I want you to go all in, but just pick one platform. Focus on one platform. And once you do well and you build your momentum, then have fun with it. Do whatever you want. But right now, this challenge is just for one platform. We want you to build momentum and stay focused. We don't want you to be concerned about the algorithms of different platforms. But the AI Creator Content Toolkit will handle all that for you. So that's something that you don't have to worry about either. It makes it so much easier whenever you are ready to expand through multiple platforms. To use multiple platforms. Okay, now here's one thing I want you to remember. Nobody is watching you. Well, we are. That's the goal, right? We want everybody to watch us. But they're not watching us as closely as we think. So that fear of being judged is a lie. It's a lie that your brain is telling you just to make you feel safe, but it's keeping you stuck. If you tell yourself, I don't want to be on camera, that's okay. You can still do this challenge. You'll just focus on faceless content, but you'll be posting every day. And that's totally valid. Still show up for this challenge and show your face when you're ready, if you're ever ready. And this toolkit makes it so much easier. I started to do a PDF and load you guys with tons of prompts and tons of instructions, but I have ADHD. That is not what I would want to do. And every time I go in to create something, I don't want to have to go through and find all my prompts and upload them. That's why this tool makes it easy. All you have to do is talk to it like you're talking to a friend, and you can ask the question. It's trained by a content creator for content creators. You don't have to feel ready. You just have to be willing. So if you are willing, drop a comment or emoji in the comment box below and encourage somebody else just by saying something. We're ready to grow, or I'm willing, or let's go. At the end of the 5 days, this is what you'll have. You'll have 5 pieces of real content, a workflow that works for you, the confidence to keep going, and a system to help you stay consistent. This system gives you access to new tools in AI, content maps, monetization, strategies, and more. But first, let's get you started. This is your invitation to stop overthinking and start creating. Make sure you click the link in the description below or in the pinned comment and get access to the challenge. And make sure you subscribe so you don't miss upcoming videos like how to batch content without burnout, how to edit like a pro without being one, how to turn one idea into 12 pieces of content. So this is your time. You don't need motivation, you need motion. I'll see you on day 1 of the challenge. If you're ready, I'm ready. Let's grow. If you've been waiting for the perfect time to start creating content, it's now. This is it. We're doing it together every step of the way. Click the link in the description, grab the toolkit, check your inbox, and I'll see you on day 1 of the challenge. Let's create content that makes freedom possible. Financial, time, and location. Let's grow.